What's up, everybody? It's the Pink Daddy. Just gonna do a few shots with my EDC pistol, my CZ P10C. Optics ready. Got the Holliston 509T on there, Streamlight TLR1 light. No extended magazine or anything like that. No trigger, nothing like that. Let's get it.